Alright, I fucking hate this. Let's fucking go. Okay, type index. We got two new types. HUK area and HUK. Okay, and top level types, there's this paired tag that lets us bounce between the index and the implementation down here in top level types. If we scroll down, we're going to get to the hunker area section, new HUK area, the index of this object, one based in its parent array. Here's our type HUK area, lax comma hack, so that we can put commas in front of everything here. Member variables, my own index, this is 0 based. This is the index of this object within its parent array. I don't know exactly what this needs to be yet, but it's going to specify what room this selection applies to. This is level local, X and Y, min, max, the rectilinear selection of tiles of a certain size for this HUK area. What is the tile size? We don't know. That's specified by the parent object. We're going to seal the object so we can't fuck around with it. And then my own index is the input index -1, and then we'll load that my own index in here before returning the HUK area. Okay, space hunker type. Okay, new HUK. This is our constructor to construct a HUK type. Another lax comma hack. The length of this object currently and the capacity, right? So there are 13 HUK areas, but we don't always use all of them. This length tells me how many of these are actually kind of active and in use. And here's the tile size. This tile size applies to all of these objects here. It tells us what tile size these selections are. Okay, so this is just like a little checksum, right? It helps us give us a checksum so I know exactly 13 objects are here, and this 13 matches this 13, so it looks good. Okay, down here, we're gonna make sure that thuk.hukarray.length is equal to the HUK capacity. And if it's not, then we fucked up, we'll throw an error, and then we'll seal the object so we can't fuck around with it, and then we'll return the HUK here. So, up at the top, if you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here, because I don't got no fucking goddamn time here. Tech demos are here, source code's here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a side-scroller Bomberman MMO. It's like Bomberman, but it's on steroids. If you like Bomberman, you're gonna fucking love this. Like, subscribe, and follow. My name's Kanji Coder.